Hey guys, it's Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com. Today I'm going to show you how I'm mounting my furniture to the wall. I've got these furniture safety brackets, but sometimes your furniture will come with it. Companies like IKEA tend to sell it with their furniture. We have a lot of older furniture that does not have that, or maybe I got the furniture before I had kids, so I didn't maybe I didn't save those pieces or know what they were for. So today I'm going to be showing you my filing cabinet, which we've been hiding in the basement for a long time because of exactly this reason. I don't 100% trust safety brackets with this because it is very heavy, and when you pull this out, my kids keep pulling this open to get paper out and leaving it open. I feel like one kid pulling on this the wrong way could drop it on them. So of course we are going to mount it, and I may actually mount it in two different areas if I can. So what I've got is I've got a small drill bit here so I can pre-drill the holes. In the past we've had issues with these stripping. The screws just aren't great that they include with the set. So we've got this to pre-drill. We've got our normal drill head screwdriver thing. We've got for each mounting thing you need two of these, one for the wall and one for the piece of furniture. These two small ones go on the furniture and these two long ones go into your wall. You will also have a strap. You need to make sure you know where your stud is. This is a stud finder here. It's got a magnet on it, and it can, I'm assuming it's sticking two nails in the wall where the stud is. So that is our stud there, and I'm going to see if there's one somewhere thereabouts so I can mount two areas. So the first thing you want to do is you can hold up your little piece here and figure out where your two holes need to go, and you want to just pre-drill. And I'm going to do the same thing on this wall. Again, this is just to prevent the screws from stripping. Okay, you can see it here, and you see it's the opposite direction on the wall. Now I can put my brackets on and screw these in. And I did both of them first because so I don't have to switch screwdriver heads. So I just screw them in here and then screw one like this in here. And yeah. Okay, so once you have it in, both sides in, the piece goes through here and through here, and you can just tighten it so it's closer to the wall.